The upHere 240mm AIO cooler offers excellent compatibility with a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets, ensuring it fits seamlessly into various builds. Its sleek design features a dual-view customization option, allowing users to personalize their cooling setup while maintaining high performance. With the capability to handle up to 280-watt thermal design power, this cooler efficiently manages heat for high-performance processors even during demanding tasks. The vibrant ARGB lighting adds a visually striking element to any setup, with customizable colors and patterns that enhance the gaming or creative environment. This cooler includes two 120mm PWM fans that automatically adjust speeds for optimal cooling while maintaining noise levels below 27 decibels. The all-in-one cable management system helps reduce clutter and ensures a neat installation, contributing to the cooler's overall efficiency and durability.